Hello everyone, this is Florian and today's video is about the built-in ABS or absolute function. There is absolutely not that much one can say about the built-in ABS or absolute function. It only takes a single argument, which can be an integer, a floating point or complex number. Let's have a look at its behavior in the Python REPL. If I supply an integer or floating point number, the negative sign is simply removed. So ABS of 5 gives me 5 and ABS of -5 gives me 5 as well. Similarly, we can pass a floating point number, so 23.5 returns 23.5, and the very same number with a negative sign at the beginning returns 23.5 as well. If a complex number is passed to the built-in absolute function, only the magnitude part is returned. So ABS of 3 minus 4j returns 5. And it's worth noting that the magnitude part itself can also be a floating point number. So ABS of minus 1.5 plus 3j returns approximately 3.35. Alright, that's pretty much everything you need to know about the built-in ABS function. Stay curious and keep coding.